Edelweiss 599 Romeo, stopping on the runway.
Edelweiss 599 Romeo, observe, report if you need any assistance.
Edelweiss 599 Romeo.
Edelweiss 599 Romeo, for information, we are activating the fire brigade.
Okay, Edelweiss 599 Romeo, stand by. Edelweiss 5599 Romeo, for information, we had a bird strike and quite loud noise during the takeoff abortion.
Edelweiss 599 Romeo, roger that. Take any time you need. We will bring the fire brigade close to you in case of any outbreaks and perform a runway inspection, of course.
Thank you.
This is 8 Tango Heavy, Grüezi wohl, via Echo 2, line up and wait, runway 16.
Right, this is a line up wait, 16. Where was that first strike?
Now we're organizing anything. We don't know anything so far, but just to be ready for any option. Edelweiss 599 Romeo, do you want to talk to the fire brigade?
Yeah, we switched to 1231 Edelweiss 599 Romeo.
Okay, reinforcing that, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hello, Green.
Lufthansa 9 Yankee, hold position. There's a car of the airport authority will cross left to right. I call it shortly back then.
Hold position, Lufthansa 9 Yankee.
Genau, and the fire brigade might vacate via the same taxiway as you are.
Tower Edelweiss 599 Romeo?
Yeah, Edelweiss 599 Romeo.
We'd like to taxi to a stand and the fire brigade will accompany us to the stand, so we should be able to taxi.
Edelweiss 599 Romeo, roger that. Danke mal, then taxi along the runway to vacate first to the right via Juliet.
Taxi along the runway and vacate to the right via Juliet, Edelweiss 599 Romeo.
And Lufthansa 9 Yankee, still hold your position, will give way to the priority aircraft.
With 79 Whiskey, when could we expect takeoff time?
The 79 Whiskey depends a little bit how fast the aircraft will vacate runway 10, and according to the system it takes about another 10 minutes from now.
Copy.
Edelweiss 599 Romeo, take all the time you need and turn right into taxiway Juliet then.
Okay, we taxi right into Juliet and when we have vacated the runway we will hold position and shut down the engines. There might be a problem with the gear, so then we need a shock.
Edelweiss 599 Romeo, roger. In this case, contact now already apron 11755. They will organize any further.
11755, next Edelweiss 599 Romeo.
That was with 79 Whiskey.
Yeah, this is 79 Whiskey.
Due to our fuel situation, we need to depart with the next 1 to 5 minutes, or otherwise we need to return to the gate.
Okay, das schaffen wir. Sonst bitte nochmal melden, weil es zu knapp wird.
Genau, also Flugzeit ist okay, wir können nicht akzeptieren.
Ist gut, wir versuchen es.
Also, we are also able to accept another runway.
Okay. Swiss 8 Tango, the runway has been inspected, nothing found so far, wind 0536, knots runway 16, cleared for takeoff.
Airport Edelweiss 599 Romeo, vacating to the right into Juliet and holding position to shut down the engine.
Edelweiss 599 Romeo, grüezi nochmal. Okay, are you able to taxi forward on short to hold short of the inner?
Bye-bye. Airport, we can clear Alpha and taxi to hold short of inner Edelweiss 599 Romeo.
Roger, and expect and stand Alpha 11 further on.
Alpha 11, that's Edelweiss 599 Romeo.
Lufthansa 9 Lima Yankee on taxiway Juliet, cross runway 10, contact now apron 11755 for further taxi. Tschüss!
9 Yankee on Juliet, cross runway 10, 11755.